Even as the entire nation is outraged by what we witnessed in Bengaluru over a spree of molestations that have taken place, it's a rerun of the same that we're witnessing in the national capital. Men allegedly in an inebriated condition attacked cops for protecting a girl. This took place in Delhi's Mukherjee Nagar area. In fact, you can see these molesters running rogue on New Year's Eve in Mukherjee Nagar. They targeted police vehicles and also, we understand, attempted to torch some of the police vehicles present there. These goons going on a rampage despite the fact that there was police presence in the area. Padmaja Joshi is joining us with more details on this, but before that, let's get an official word from the Delhi police on this incident.
डिवाइडर के साइड गया था। पहले मैंने उनको पहले भी समझाया था भाई तुम थोड़ा शांति प्रिय तरीके से करना, ये ऐसा नहीं है किसी तरह की वो बदतमीजी करना। थोड़ी देर बाद क्या सीन नज़र आता है, एक अपनी रसोई वाली गली से एक बाइक पर एक लड़का और लड़की आते हैं। जैसे ही वो गली से मेन रोड पर निकलते बार तो दो लड़के थे, एक ने नीली जैकेट पहन रखी थी, एक ने येलो। उन्होंने लड़की को अपनी तरफ प्रेस करने की, पीछे की तरफ खींचने की सोची, लेकिन वो बाइक खड़ी थी, जिस वजह से उस लड़की ने अपनी बाइक एक हाथ से बाइक को पकड़ा और वो नीचे नहीं गिर पाई। हम
Okay, so that is what the Delhi police have to say about this particular incident, saying that they did rush in and stop these men from harassing a girl who was riding pillion on a bike along with her male friend. Padmaja is still with us on the story. Padmaja, first of all, break down to us exactly what happened, because on our screens we see visuals really of these goons going on an absolute rampage, running rogue on the streets of Delhi.
Absolutely. In fact, this happened at 12:30, just 12:30 midnight on New Year's Day. In fact, Akshita, is what we are learning. And just to tell our viewers what Mukherjee Nagar is all about, it basically is the students' hub of Delhi. It has a large concentration of very young students, not just from Delhi, but from across the country. You've got a number of paying guest accommodations, a number of students' hostels in the area. It's the Delhi University's North Campus. So that is just setting up what this area is all about. There's this place called Batra Cinema in Mukherjee Nagar, where this lady was in fact riding pillion on a bike when a group of drunk men tried to grab her. They were out on the streets apparently celebrating the arrival of the new year, and when this lady was riding past with a friend, they tried to grab her off the motorcycle, and eyewitnesses that we've spoken to in fact say that this lady resisted. There were a few policemen close by, they rushed to her aid, and it was at that time that these men, this is how they were operating without any fear of the law. They actually turned around and attacked the policemen who rushed to the woman's aid. In fact, the policemen subsequently went and tried to shelter from this violent mob inside a chowki. The mob even tried to set that picket on fire. So you can imagine just how safe women will feel when even the cops apparently in Delhi have to run to save themselves from this violent rampaging mob.
Yes, absolutely. Look at how brazen they are, Padmaja, because after that, they not just attack the police, you can see them going on a rampage assault on the streets of Delhi, and this happened on New Year. So it's not just restricted to Bengaluru. This is the state of affairs across the country. Let's go across to Kiran Walia, who's joining us over the phone lines. Ms. Walia, your reaction to this incident that's come to light from the national capital, where a group of men, a mob, tried to harass a woman. They tried to pull her off a bike. The police came to their rescue, and then this mob turns around and attacks the police.
Yeah, I'm happy at least in this case the police did come to their rescue. It's so unfortunate if the cops are also, beaten up like this, and you have now complained from unknown people. But at the same time, what is really important at the root cause level is the beat man. The beat man is really missing from the scene. He was a whole map. They posted for certain areas, a few lanes, and they will hardly see them, looking out for these kind of men around who are on the ground. And, just checking them, like fighting them. But,
yes.
So it happens. So initially, when something small happens, I'm sorry the police does not take a serious view of this. I myself complained, but then this is how these people get emboldened. And it's sad that the police itself became victims. I think police will have to be better armed.
Absolutely.
And the whistleblowers now have started becoming, spectators, because they're so afraid of their own lives.
And this
perhaps
is really how
understandable.
brazen these kind of goons, these kind of perverts have become, that they believe that they can even attack the police and get away with it. Ms. Walia, thank you for speaking to India Today. We'll continue tracking the story on the other side.